Stop. If you're counting calories to lose weight, you're wasting your time. A study with 120,000 people proved those who count calories are 3 times more likely to give up on their diet. And I'm going to show you exactly why this happens and how for ordinary people each lost over 15 kilograms without counting a single calorie. Does this sound familiar? End of the day, you check the app and those numbers judge you. You still have 200 calories left. You went 150 over today. Every meal becomes math. Every bite a source of guilt. And the worst part, despite all this obsessive control, the scale doesn't budge. Today you will discover a scientific method used by over 10,000 people to lose weight for good where calculators are not welcome. My name is Your Name, and for the last 5 years, I've helped over 10,000 people lose weight without the obsession with numbers. Over 150 tons lost by my students. Success rate: 89% maintain their weight after 1 year. This method has been validated by 3 Brazilian universities. But I was also addicted to counting calories once. In 2018, I knew exactly how many calories were in a lettuce leaf. Yes, 2 calories. But I also lived with anxiety, hunger, and the yo-yo effect was my best friend. Today you will discover why your brain sabotages calorie counting. Satiety formula that works automatically. It's a 20-minute method that reprograms your hunger. And a bonus, a practical 7-day plan to start today. This is Maria, 34, a mother of 2. For 5 years, she was a slave to apps. I dreamed about numbers, literally. Dreams where I was counting the calories of everything I ate. I couldn't enjoy a family dinner anymore because I was mentally calculating every forkful. Maria tried 12 different diets. She lost 18 kilograms and gained 23 kilograms back. The stress of counting calories was destroying her metabolism until she discovered this method. In 8 months, 22 kilograms lost. Without counting a single calorie, she has maintained her weight for 2 years. She eats pizza with her kids every Friday. Today I eat when I'm hungry. I stop when I'm satisfied. It sounds obvious, but this is revolutionary when you've spent years ignoring your own body. Maria learned the same 4 principles you are about to learn now. Principle 1. The quality revolution. Look at this comparison that will shock you. 100 calories of a diet cookie versus 200 calories of an apple with nuts. By the old math, the cookie wins. But for your body, it's a completely different war. The diet cookie. Sugar spike in 15 minutes. Sharp crash in 45 minutes. The result? More hunger than before. The apple with nuts. Gradual energy release. Fiber plus good fats plus protein. Satiety for 3 to 4 hours, Joe O told me. When I swapped my afternoon snack from a cookie to an apple with peanut butter, my evening sugar craving just disappeared in 3 days. Simple formula. Real food always beats processed food. The calories don't matter. What matters is how your body reacts. Golden tip. On your next trip to the supermarket, ask this question. Would my great-grandmother recognize this food? If the answer is no, leave it on the shelf. Principle 2. The automatic satiety formula. Protein plus fiber equals natural satiety. This isn't a theory. It's pure neuroscience. When you eat enough protein, your brain releases a hormone called GLP-1. This hormone literally shouts to your stomach, "I'm full before a plate of plain pasta." You eat 2 plates and want more. After pasta with chicken and broccoli, 1 plate leaves you satisfied for hours. Harvard study. People who ate 30 grams of protein for breakfast consumed 400 fewer calories during the day without trying. Your secret weapons: protein, eggs, chicken, fish, beans, quinoa, fiber, colorful vegetables, fruits with skin, oats. Anna told me, I started adding an egg to my breakfast. The result? I stopped raiding the pantry at 10 a.m. automatically. Challenge. Tomorrow, add a source of protein to every meal. Just that. No counting anything. Come back here in 3 days and tell me the result in the comments. Principle 3. The 20-minute technique that changes everything. Did you know it takes your brain exactly 20 minutes to register that you're full? If you eat in 5 minutes, as 90% of people do, your brain is still in "I need more food" mode when you've eaten too much. Scenario A. Lunch in 5 minutes on your phone. You eat 800 calories, still feel hungry. Look for dessert. Scenario B. lunch in 20 minutes, present. You eat 500 calories, feel completely satisfied, forget about food for hours. The 20-minute protocol. 1. Before the first bite, take 3 deep breaths. 2. Observe your food, the colors, smells, textures. 3. First bite, chew 20 times. 4. Pause. Put your fork down on the table between bites. 5. Ask, how is my body feeling right now? 6. At 10 minutes, reevaluate your hunger on a scale of 0 to 10. 7. At 15 minutes, reevaluate again. 8. Stop when you reach a 7 out of 10 for satiety. Carlos told me, man, this sounded like nonsense. But when I started eating slowly, I discovered flavors in my food I never knew existed. And the best part, I started eating 30% less effortlessly. Result. Studies show a 20 to 30% reduction in caloric intake without restriction. Principle 4. The invisible hormones that control your weight. You can do everything right with your diet, but if these 2 hormones are out of balance, you will gain weight. Villain number 1, cortisol, the stress hormone. When you're stressed, your body produces cortisol. Cortisol shouts to your brain, emergency, find quick energy. The result. You automatically crave chocolate, bread, sweets, fast food. Villain number 2, sleep dysregulation. A single bad night's sleep disrupts two crucial hormones. Ghrelin, the hunger hormone, increases by 28%. Leptin, the satiety hormone, decreases by 18%. Less sleep equals more hunger. Less satiety equals weight gain. Stanford study. People who sleep less than 6 hours a night are 30% more likely to be obese. Your anti-cortisol weapons. 10 minutes of meditation. A 15-minute walk after lunch. 4-7-8 breathing before bed. A fixed sleep routine. Same time every day, Fernanda shared. When I started sleeping 8 hours a night, my craving for junk food at night just vanished, effortlessly. I lost 8 kilograms in 3 months just by fixing my sleep. The truth is, managing stress and sleep can be more effective than hours at the gym. Now comes the crucial part. How to apply this in practice? I'm going to give you an exact 7-day plan. No calorie counting, no apps, just results. Day 1 and 2, foundation. Morning, add protein to your breakfast. Lunch, make 50% of your plate colorful vegetables. Dinner, use the 20-minute technique. Sleep 7 to 8 hours. Day 3 and 4, evolution. Eliminate 1 processed food item. Add a 10-minute walk after meals. Practice 4-7-8 breathing before bed. Day 5 to 7.